Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm Simply Kiwi, and today I wanted to share with you this manicure that I've done, which is a pretty blue elegant manicure. Let me go ahead and get started with the items that I'm going to show you that I've used. First, let me state that on my nails I have 2 coats of a holographic polish, and then topped with my ring, middle, and thumb. I have like a shimmery color as a topper. Then on my ring and index fingers I have like a glitter on top, and then on my ring and index finger I also have the stamp. Also on my pinky, middle, and thumb I also have striping tape at the tip. So let me show you what I've used. The 2 coats that I have on all the nails is China Glaze Holographic, which is Strap On Your Moonboots. And it's not a very holographic polish, but it is very pretty. It's a very slate blue polish. And that's what I have 2 coats of. Then on my thumb, middle, and pinky finger I have Fresh Paint 11, and again this is a sheer blue that I used as a topper. Then on my index and ring finger I have the Color Club, which is a glitter polish, Constellation Prize. Isn't that just gorgeous? Then I've used the black stamping polish from Pueen to do my stamping on my index and ring finger. I'm going to also use my Pueen Scraper on my thumb, middle, and ring, and my pinky finger. I've used this blue shiny striping tape. And I'm also using the Born Pretty plate, which is L020, and I will be using this image right here. I already have most of my nails done on my other hand, so this video of course won't be too long. I went ahead and did my 2 coats of my holographic polish, and then on my thumb, middle, and ring and pinky finger again I have the shimmery topper, and then on my index and ring finger I have the glitter. So what I'm going to show you today is stamping. Go ahead and put my plate down. And I'm going to put a cotton pad under here so it won't be so much mess. I'm going to go ahead and put my polish down. And get my stamp. And then I'm going to go ahead and line this up and roll. And I forgot to tell you that I did go ahead, when I put my toppers on and my glitter on, I went ahead and put a coat of the Pop-arazzi to smooth out the surface, and then I put on a quick dry top coat, which is Seche Vite, so it smooths everything out before I start stamping, and also to seal in my striping tape. And if you ever use striping tape, just make sure that you cut it smaller than your placement that you're going to place on your nail. That way it doesn't lift up after you've put on your clear top coat. Makes it last longer if you don't cut it too long across your nail. And there you go. And then all I'll do is clean up the edges. But it's very simple, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to top it off with a quick drying top coat, which is Seche Vite, and that will complete the manicure. And I hope you guys like this. Again, I didn't show you every step, but I did let you know what I did include in the steps. So if you ever decide to try this manicure, to me, that way it lasts longer. You have more wear out of your manicure. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment. Or if you have any comments, to place them in the comment section. Thank you again so much for watching, and you all be blessed.